What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an install. Today we're going to be installing an RC350 part into the Lexus RCF, specifically this part right here. What I have in my hand is the instrument bezel cluster thingy that goes on top over there. So if you watch the channel, I've actually tried this before, but with an IS350 it did not work. Let me tell you why. If you notice right here it has it's pretty straight, right? Same as right here, it is pretty straight. All right, the straight curve. Now an issue with the IS350, the issue with the IS350 one is that there is a little hump, a little curved hump over the start button, and it didn't fit. So today I have an RC350 one, and we're gonna try to install this into the RCF, and I'm pretty positive this time it will work. So let's give it a shot. One tool that you will need will be the Lexus screwdriver because of the Phillips and the flathead. Now I'm doing this in a parking lot, just a random parking lot, and all you need is this, and this will be really easy. Just follow the guide and you just have no problem installing this. If I could do it here, you guys can do it anywhere. The first step and easiest step, put your fingers in here and you're gonna just pull it out like so, and you do it to the other side as well. Bam. Okay, after getting this part, we're gonna get this part. All you gotta do, hand underneath and just pull, just like so. Same with the other side, just pull. Now I would watch out for this part because I have a carbon fiber little overlay thing right here. It did scratch my thing right here, so be careful with that. Okay, now we're gonna release the top. So all you gotta do, hands in here and just pull it, just like so. Okay, this next step would be this black tab right here. All you gotta do is just finger in and just lift up like so. Same with this side. Just have a finger in and just lift it up, like so. Now we can just lift this up. Well, you probably shouldn't yank on it like I did, but now we gotta remove the wires. Next step is remove this, like so. Just remove that and you're free to remove this. Now it is completely free. The next step should be pretty easy. We're gonna transfer this bezel trim panel over to here. I have matched it up and looks like it will fit. I'm hoping. This is still testing. Okay, with a Phillips, we'll remove this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Again, you will need a Lexus screwdriver because Lexus screwdriver is meant to take apart the whole car if possible. 4 and 5. Sure to stay placed, and voila, removed. We have removed it. Oh, watch out for that. Keep these. All right, so start button's gonna stay inside, and now we just attach it to the other one. Let's hope it works. Okay, I'm hoping this works. This is my first attempt to see if this actually fits. Please don't let this be a dud. Align all the holes and all the tabs together. Please work, please work. Oh shoot, does it work? Oh crap, it fits. Oh, nice. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back with the screws. Oh, I'm so excited. Put the screws in here. Tighten it all back in. So far, everything is aligning as planned. The transfer of the RC350 red trim with leather is working so far. Replacing the blue suede, the blue stitch suede from the RCF. And I am using a 2016 version. Actually, let's look at it right now. It's a it's 2015 Lexus RC350 F Sport, number 1134 trim dashboard instrument cluster. Bezel red stitching 55403531010. That's the part number, everybody. Okay, so far it's looking great. Everything is aligned. See, notice the button right there, start button, it's fitting over. Last time it did not, it had a curve over it. But so far everything is working just great. It's gonna be pretty easy. You just put it back in this way. It's pretty much reverse order. We do have to get those tabs in first. First and simplest thing we're gonna do is we're gonna reattach the start button plug. Okay, now we're gonna align it. Next step, we're gonna fit this back in. And we're gonna put those tabs in first. Make sure all these wires are inside. Falls in place. Make sure this is inside. Okay, so what I did was I have my 2 hands on the side, pushed it in, as you saw. Now we're gonna make sure all the fluffy parts are out of the way and tucked underneath. And let's make sure it falls in place. Make sure everything's in good. Okay, now here comes the fun part. We're gonna push this thing in. I didn't mean to do that start button check, but hey, you know what? It still worked. The car turns on. And it looks like the whole thing is fitting. This is exciting. Oh my goodness. It finally worked. Well, again, I gotta watch out for that because, yeah, just watch out for that. But, wow, it actually fits. Now the easy part, we just make sure this goes back in. Now we're gonna put this back. Just be careful of everything underneath. Make sure that's aligned. And just push it in slowly. Like so. Now to be careful with this side because of my mic, I'm gonna have it right here because I just like it there. Now I got this part, make sure the mic is secured in place from my Android screen and push in. There. Underneath, everything's good to go. Gotta make sure this is aligned too because it just does that. You can see the red stitching on the outside. Because if it was blue stitching, you can't see it. But look at this, no gap. This is amazing. Let's just double check again. That starts. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Wow, look at this fitment though. All right, we turn it off. But wow, this thing actually fits. Holy crap. Oh, this is good news. This is great news. Oh, wow. I mean, I'm really happy, guys. I'm really happy that this worked because I failed the first time where I got, like I said, I got an RS350 and it did not fit because this thing, it made an extra hump over. So if you guys go look online, there is an extra hump over the start button for Lexus RC350, and if you guys look it up or look at my old video, you'll see exactly what I mean. But this is exciting. I'm so glad I got this and it's working and it works. This, everybody, this RC350 F Sport trim, it works. All right, I replaced my blue suede. I replaced my blue stitch suede RCF one with a red stitch leather RC350 trim. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Now the reason why I'm doing that is because, well, my shift boot, you know, it's red stitched. I mean, maybe I should have got a suede one, but whatever. I like this. This complements the door panels, but I just wanted something, you know, if this is red stitch, I want this to be red stitch as well. And if you look closely here and look closely at the door, believe it or not, they're actually the same. They are actually the same. This, and this are exactly the same. So I'm very excited that I got this, and I hope you guys liked the install. If you guys did, please share the video and share the knowledge of how to install or remove this. If you just want to remove this button, please share this video. Please like the video. If you guys were entertained, let me know in the comments below. If so, like it. So all right guys, that's me today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next one. Peace.